Gawing lingkod bayani ang bawat kawani. To make every civil servant a servant hero. This is the Civil Service Commission's core purpose. As the nation observes Araw ng Mga Bayani, we remember the patriotism, selflessness, and valor of our national heroes and their sacrifice for our flag and country. Filipinos leading Filipinos in pursuit of our aspirations for freedom and independence. We honor their sacrifice and contributions to our nation as we continue to look to them for inspiration, remembering their achievements and commemorating the exemplification of our country's values. At sa pagbibigay natin ng halaga sa mga bayani ng nakaraan, sa mga bayani ng ating kasaysayan, importanteng patuloy nating kilalanin ang mga makabagong bayani ng ating bayan. Kabilang na dito ang mga lingkod bayan ng pamahalaan. We continue to live every day in the care of many unseen and silent heroes, our lingkod bayan, street sweepers, law enforcement officers, health and social workers, teachers, scientists, and other government workers who toil daily in the service of our people and the country, being compassionate, responsive, and attentive to the needs of Filipinos. Service is, after all, the love language of every government worker. Many of the heroism displayed by our lingkod bayani in government may not make it to the headlines, but their deeds are no less deserving of recognition. Ang Komisyon sa Serbisyo Sibil ay patuloy na magsasagawa ng mga programang isusulong ang pagkamit ng misyong gawing lingkod bayani ang bawat kawani. Ang aking panawagan sa lahat ng kawani ng pamahalaan, patuloy nating pagsumikapang isabuhay ang mga katangian at paninindigan ng ating mga bayani upang tuluyang itawid ang ating sarili mula sa pagiging ordinaryong kawani tungo sa pagiging isang lingkod bayani. Isang makabuluhang pag-alala ng Araw ng Mga Bayani sa lahat. Daghang salamat at mabuhay.